Hi, magical friends! Welcome back to Pinky's Unicorn Vlogs. With Valentine's Day coming up, we're celebrating the magic of friendship with our very own Friendship Festival, and you're all invited. First up, we're making handmade Valentines for each other. It's not just a card, it's a piece of your heart.
Look, I made mine with lots of sparkle to show how bright my friends make my day.
And I'm making friendship bracelets. Each color represents a quality I love about my friends. Blue for trust, yellow for joy, and pink for kindness.
Now, for the highlight of our Friendship Festival, a special song called Together We Shine. It's about how our friendship makes us stronger and brighter.
In a world full of wonder, under the white blue sky, we find the greatest treasure in friendships that never die. With a laugh, with a smile, we chase the clouds away. Side by side, mile by mile, brighter is our day. Together we shine, like stars in the night. We're friends so fine, everything's alright. Storms and rain, we hold on tight. Together we shine, with friendships fly. Every heart has a story waiting to be told in the warmth of our glory. We brave the cold, hand in hand, we explore dreams. We dare to dream with the bonds we adore, stronger than we seem. Together we shine, like the sun in the sky, with a bond so divine. On each other we rely, through laughter and tears, our spirits soar high. Together we shine, our friendship won't die. In the magic of the moment, with every shared delight, our friendship's a journey through the darkest night. With every step we take, with every heart we touch, together we make a world that shines so much. Together we shine, with a light so bright. In every line, our hearts unite. Through every challenge, through every fight. Together we shine, making everything right. Together we shine, stronger and bright. With friendship fly, we reach new heights. Together we shine, in love and light. Forever in time, our future's bright. Stronger and bright, with friendship fly.
Friendship is about showing we care. These little gifts are just one way to say, I'm glad you're my friend. Look at our bracelets. Wearing them reminds us we're connected no matter where we are. What a magical day. Friendship truly is the best gift of all. Remember, you can create your own Friendship Festival at home. Make something special for your friends. Sing a song and share the love.
Happy Friendship
Festival.
Festival.
See you next time for more adventures. Stay kind, stay creative, and keep shining bright. Magical friends. Bye!